What's going on, guys? A little unboxing video for new suspension on the truck. But open these back. I've already opened them up because I couldn't wait. But Rough Country reached out. I'm not sure if you've seen my Instagram video story, but Rough Country reached out to me. We've been in talks for, I don't know, a couple months now. But they went ahead and sent me the 3-inch lift kit. New U-bolts included. New V2 shocks. Rear lifting block. Still debating on whether leaving that in or leaving the stock one in. But new bushings for the rear shocks. New hardware down there is the rear shocks. Here's the other box. Took one of the springs out, but man, good finish on it. Not seeing any scratches or, shipping marks. So they shipped them pretty quick too, if I do say. But here's what it looked like on the truck with the spare axle I have. But man, doesn't that look good? But yeah, for sure, huge shout out to them guys at Rough Country, man. They took care of me. So if you guys need any wheels, lights, suspension, Jeep, truck, whatever, you name it, they got it. Like I said, huge shout out to them guys, and just, they'll take care of you there. But that should be it. Hopefully install video coming soon. Just stay up to date, like and subscribe. Thanks.